Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is staying home. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys go check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out really fast, and then go back to shopping. But they'll ship this out to you quick. And I'm about to see what it is. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, okay. I know what this is. Give me 1 second, guys. This is coming from Aobosi. Smart home provider. Slow juicer. 124 volts. 60 hertz. 150 watts. There we go. All the good stuff on the side. Here's the other side. About the same. So now we're about to find out what's inside and how it looks. Give it a little test run. I think I got some stuff we can make. Here we go. Here we go. Nice and easy. Get that out of the way. That's what it looks like. All the stuff inside. Just gonna pull them out. We got Smasher. That's where you smash all the veggies and all that good stuff. And we got the containers. You guys can see. Put that over there for now. And do this baby steps at the top. Put that over there. What else we got in here? Oh, we got the shooter thing where it comes out for the juice. It should stay right there, hopefully. I think that's all the loose. Oh, we got a brush. It's a nice little brush too. Let's clean all the excess you have. Put this down. And one of these things. Not sure what that is. Oh boy. It all falls down. Down. Oh, trouble getting it out of the box. Come on. There we go. Alright. Ooh, look at this beauty. Nice red finish with some black. And the big old hole right there. Oh, this is nice high quality. The fans all the down at the bottom. Oh yeah, we'll give it a test run too. Show you guys what this thing could do. There we go. You guys are put down pretty good. And we might need the manual. We got the manual right here. Aobosi. Here we go. We got it. Right on, guys. Here we go. So this one definitely help you guys through this interesting times. Make some new recipes for your juicing needs, for your workout drinks, all your mixes in here. Since it is, I would say, springtime, just around the corner. Get a jump on your early morning workouts. Oh, this is nice, really well made. You have to give it a good rinse first. Just make sure you always wash your stuff before you use. Comes out like that. That's how you clean it. We'll get into that in a few. But really easy. Easy peasy. Oh. because I didn't lock it in. Gotta lock it down sometimes. Here we go. And we got some kind of shield. I think that's for the back. We got this little thing here. I think it's for the back. Got your back. Maybe not. That's what the manual is for, guys. So we might have to read a little bit something different here. Not sure what this thing is. Kind of like a magnifying glass. What it looks like to me. Not sure. Now we got the top. That I do know. Yeah, we're gonna hop into the kitchen YouTube magic and clean these out, and then we'll show the display and setup and all that good stuff. But this is the unboxing to show you guys today. So good stuff though. Really cool. Like I said, Christmas too. You want to get one for yourself and for somebody in your family right now. There you go. And save it for Christmas. And like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer also. You guys got some free time on your hands right now, so one click away is down at the bottom. There's another. And it's really see-through. Probably gonna need both. Okay, so we got everything out of the box. Like I said, I'm gonna wash these parts. Maybe give a good wipe around for that. Slow juicer. Power cable, housing, on and off switch, locking button, juice container, baffle. Oh, okay. Pumice container to hold and collect any pumices separated by the extractor. Oh. And the container baffle to separate foam. Oh, the foam from the juice in the container. Okay, so we'll do some OJ. I got some oranges. Maybe some grapefruit. Plunger. That's plunger. See, I knew that. Tray might be that one. For interim storage of food material to process. Feeding chute. I think that's that one. The auger. Or no, the drum. One of the main components to extract juice where the food material is loaded from the feed chute. So somewhere in there. Feed chute, feeding food and load down the drum. One of the main components to extract juice where the food material is loaded from the feed chute at the top, while the juice and the pumice are discharged from the outlet. Ooh, the auger, One of the main components to extract juice where the food material is transferred and ground against juice filter. Juicing screen. Work with the auger to grind food material and filter the juice. Alright. No more squeezing the juice. End cap. Coupled extractor to provide protection. Oh, it is a wrench. See? We got a wrench. Alright. See what other goodies this has. Yeah, I'll do some OJ. Oh. Sweet. Shows how to do it. Oh boy. Oh wow, we got apples, apricots, beets, blueberries, Brussels, cabbage, carrots, celery, cucumber, fennel, grape, muskmelon. Never had that one. Nectarine, peach, pear, pineapple, raspberry, tomatoes. You can make tomato juice. Cucumbers. I never had that before. I had cucumbers on salad, but not to drink. Carrot juice, cabbage. All the good healthy stuff for you right here. So we're going to do the nectarines. I do have those on stock. So we got to do a few things. Oh, I need to charge my phone. All right, I'm gonna hop in the kitchen, clean these out, charge my phone, and we'll be YouTube magic in the kitchen. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We are back for part number 2. Got it assembled. Everything is ready to rock. There's your OJ. Gotta juice it up. We got it plugged in. He's got the on, off. Get a little closer to the fruit. Gotta get this ready. Knife out of the way. And then we just gonna drop. Maybe cut it up a little bit smaller. Just in case. There we go. Alright, there we go. We got it. Oops. That's a big chunk. Let me put you guys down for a sec. Big old chunk right there. Chop that off. And we're almost there, guys. I hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Unboxing therapist. This is what you're going to need through Amazon. There she is. Aobosi juicer. Right there. Turn her on. Alright, alright. We're jamming up because we got the plunger thing. I'm going to use that for sure. Where is it? Just gotta go smash it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's what that... Okay. There we go. That's how that works. Well. There's all that good stuff. Look at that. Nice one shot of OJ. And that stuff right there. There we go. It smells really good. See? Voila. Boozy. I'm gonna try another orange or two. Get the juices flowing. Really easy, fun to do. There we go, it's pushing it out. Bam. Oh yeah. On out. There it goes. That is really cool. Really easy to use. Made a little mess, but I forgot I had to put these two together, and then you could bridge it with this thing. I forgot to put that on it, but you guys catch my drift. What's going on here? Really cool. But celery, this will work great for other like grapefruits, probably lemons. Look at that. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Aobosi, Amazon. Link down below. Get one fast shipped. See, cleaning. I'm gonna shut her off. Should be really easy clean. Gotta take the top off. Right there. Make sure you move that out of the way. Put that to the side. Like I said, I just gotta clean that up. There we go. There's the juice. It's on the loose. And you gotta shoot. Let me put you guys down. Okay. There's a little button right here. You guys can see it. Right there. Makes a click-clack. Twist, pull, and twist again. Like we did last summer. Let's twist again. Oh yeah, clean that up a little bit nice. Use a brush to brush these out. Simple. Give these a good rinse. I'm going to do another video on Instagram, so I'm not going to clean it quite yet. Got a few more oranges left. But that is it, guys. You made it through this video. Really cool, though. Check them out. Aobosi, like I said. Link will be down below. Get one at a low cost. Get one for yourself or as a gift. Start the juicing. Alright, be safe. Have a good one. Uh-oh. Where is my last resort? Oh, where's my stylus? Here we go. Alright. Have a good one.